Hi guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode which is all about everyone's favorite. Rich in a lot of goodness, packed with nutrients, yummy. Hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Tara na! And for our first step, make sure that we wash our meat well prior to cutting and of course cooking. I usually pour some ketchup to my meat for added texture and taste. Secret lang ha. Para naman sa paghihiwa ng hotdog, depende na sa inyo yun kung anong shapes ang gusto nyo. Pwede namang parihaba, pwedeng diagonal, pwedeng square, or pabilog. Bahala na kayo. Here now for our veggies. Madami lang gagawing preparation but it's worth all the work, guys. Make sure all are washed well prior to cutting and of course for cooking, as I said before. Sa mga bagong bisita pala natin dyan, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Tips pala guys, mas okay uniform o pantay-pantay ang paghihiwa ng mga karne at gulay para tama ang distribution ng init while cooking at sabay-sabay silang maluluto. Para sa complete list ng mga ginamit nating ingredients sa episode na to, ilalagay ko sa description box below. Dahil na-ready na natin ang ating lahat ng mga gagamitin sa paglulutong ito, simulan na natin. Importante guys na haluin natin every now and then ang mixture hanggang sa maluto ito. Nalalasahan ko na at ang saya-saya, ang daming kulay. And here it is now, our special pork MENUDO. If you enjoyed watching this guys, give this a thumbs up. I truly appreciate all your support. Have a great day. Stay safe and healthy. God bless as always. See you around next time. Bye!